Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Audi A4 cabin air filter, only way. First, open the glove box and release the dampers so the box can hang down. Locate the rectangular filter cover behind the glove box and unclip it carefully. Slide out the old filter to inspect for leaves, pollen, and dust. Take note of the airflow arrow on the filter frame before inserting the new one to ensure correct orientation. With the glove box folded down, reach into the housing and carefully pull the old filter straight out by its edge. Hold the filter over a trash bin to avoid dropping trapped debris into the cabin intake. Use a vacuum to clean the housing cavity and the surrounding seals, removing leaves and dust that can reduce airflow. Compare the old filter with the new one to confirm correct size and airflow arrow direction. If you're finding this walkthrough helpful, please subscribe and like so you get more simple car maintenance tips. Quick recommendation: I use these leak-proof meal prep containers for carrying parts, snacks, or small tools, and they save a messy bag or box. Check the description for the product link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Orient the new cabin air filter so the airflow arrow matches the car's duct direction and slide it into the housing gently. Ensure the pleats sit evenly without bending or pinching and press the cover back into place until it clicks. Raise the glove box, reattach the dampers, and close it securely. Finally, run the blower on multiple speeds to confirm smooth airflow and to check for any unusual noises or gaps in the seal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.